y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is a hair review. Really this is going to be like a updated review. I have been wearing this hair for about wearing and playing around with this hair for about almost 2 weeks, about a week and a half-ish. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you all the low down dirty specs, let you know, really just how I feel. Okay, skip that a little bit. All right, so this is the company. Okay, it is WowEbony. So it came in this box. It came wrapped in this tissue paper, which was, oops, I'm dropping stuff, which was really nice. Okay, I like the packaging. They put a lot of work in the packaging. Came with a little booklet. It also came with like earning cash back and things like that. A wig cap. And then it also came with an elastic band. I am really liking that the companies are sending the wigs with an elastic band. Okay, I just think that is amazing. All right, so let's get into the wig that I am wearing right now. I just have it in this cute little pin back style. I have some baby hairs laid in. I just, just have it all to one side. Okay, so I'm gonna look at the specs in my phone. So I do have 20 inches. So my wig, this is a full wig. I didn't make this. It was sent as a wig. I do have 20 inches. The color is a natural color. The cap size is a medium, and the density is 150% density. I know I get those questions a lot. It's 150% density, and this is their loose curl. Okay, the information will be down below. Now let's get straight into it. Okay, and y'all know I'm just keeping it all the way 100 with y'all. One thing, let's talk about the pros. Okay, some pros about this hair and this wig is the construction. I can honestly say I love the construction of this wig. I think that it's just amazing, and I think it's great. I think the construction is a freaking one. This company reached out to me. They were telling me that they do not want me to pluck this wig. I was kind of taken back, like, kind of clutch my pearls, girl, because I was like, okay, I have to pluck every wig to my liking because I don't have time to be walking around here looking, my hair looking wiggy. But once I took it out of the bag, and I actually seen the hairline, I was like, it's a nice hairline. Okay, so I was like, I know I gotta pluck it. I know I gotta pluck it or whatever. But I didn't pluck it at all, y'all. Like what y'all see now, all I did was cut some baby hairs, and that is it. I did not pluck this unit at all. Okay, so as y'all are always asking for beginner friendly wigs, this wig is most definitely beginner friendly when it comes to plucking. I did not pluck not one hair out this wig. Y'all hear me? Not one hair. I did not adjust the hairline or anything. The only thing I did was cut the lace off and I put the wig on. That was it. Okay, I think that's kind of crazy. Okay, because I've never had a company with the hairline like they have. I didn't have to do anything. Okay, and for that reason there, I gotta give them a thumbs up for that. Okay, for their wig construction, for the hairline construction. Who's ever creating those hairlines, keep it up. I'm sorry, this is a big deal for my wig wearers, for my first time wig wearers. It's a really big deal because everyone doesn't know how to pluck. A lot of people, you want to get the wig out the bag and you want to cut the lace off and you want to go ahead about your business. No one feels like doing all this extra stuff. Okay, so the wig construction was amazing. Okay, amazing. All right, and this is a 360. So if you would like to put it up, you're more than welcome to. And because I know I'm getting questions about that. Now, like the wig construction, now let's get into something. Oh, good wig construction, very nice customer service. The hair did come fast, about 3 to 4 days, and the hair was at my door. So that was a really good thing because people asked about shipping too. Now let's get into some more things about the hair. Okay. Now, this hair is not, the density I have is 150 density. This hair is not full. Okay, it ain't all the way I can say it. That's why when I've been wearing it, it's been like on the side style, or it's been back in a ponytail, because when I wear it down, it just looks skimpy. If you get this wig, you need to try to get something maybe with some more density, because to be like curly, wavy hair, no ma'am. Like, no. Let me show y'all, okay? Now, I've been wearing these curls all day, but this is what it looks like. And I got it back in like a little pony, okay? Let me show y'all. I'm gonna try to pull as much of it to the front as I can. This is all the hair. This is okay, no, this is not gonna work. This wig is way too thin. I don't really just, if I'm wearing it down, I'll have the back, like the back pull back like this if I'm wearing it down, because with it just straight down, it just does not look good to me. It looks skimpy. It's like, you know, when the wind blows and you see through your tracks, that's how it looks. It looks like 2.5, maybe like 1.5 bundles or something like that. It's too thin. I cannot deal with it. I like thick hair, you know. And when it comes to curly and wavy hair, a lot of the times that once you know, wet it, it's a little thin, but then once it dries, you know, it'll poof up, you know, it'll get bigger. No, this hair is thin. So my density is 150. I like the hair. The hair is nice, but it's thin and the hair does get frizzy, okay? I did put product in this hair. I didn't put a lot of product because I really wanted to test out the hair. You know what I'm saying? So I did put a little product in it, and this is all day wear. So this is what it looks like now. As y'all can see, it's a little frizzy. So if you get this hair, oh, another thing, the cap size that I got was a medium. The cap size was small. It's really small. So if you have a bigger head, you know, or if you have a lot of hair, because I have a lot of hair, like my natural hair, I have a lot of it, okay? I would suggest getting a large cap, okay, just to be on the safe side, because the way my wig is fitting, I don't have the back of my cap all the way down in the back. I have the back of my cap kind of like right here, because I can't pull it all the way down because it's not big enough. The cap isn't big enough, okay? So if you do plan on getting this particular wig, and you do have a larger head, okay, I would suggest getting a large cap, okay? And to give you a kind of idea, my canvas head that I work on when I make wigs is a 24. It's a 24 canvas head, okay? So if you think that, you know, you're somewhere around that part, or you gotta have a lot of hair, get you a large cap, okay? And get you some extra density. And if you do plan on getting this hair, make sure you get you some products so you can keep the hair hydrated, and so you can get you something to really define the curls. Now, over the course of a couple of days, I have put more products in it. It does react better when you put like more product in it, okay? When you kind of weigh it down to really like manipulate and define those curls, it looks good. But when I was putting a lot of product in it, it was making the hair a little bit thinner, because you know, like when you put a lot of like this is some extra strength mousse. When I was putting that in it, it defined my curls and made it look nice. But you know, like when you put some of that stuff in it, it'll make it look, shrink it a little bit and just make it look real, like thinner. That's how it was. So I decided not to put as much product so that when the curls dried, it could look a little bit thicker. So that's pretty much what I did, okay? And as you can see, it's just kind of frizzy. I mean, it's pretty when you put more product in it, but I wanted to test it out over the course of days. How did it react without product? How did it react with product? How did it react with a lot of product versus just a little bit of product, okay? So the hair is fine. It's okay. Like I said, it gets a little frizzy, you know. I don't really like that, and it's just not a lot of hair. You know, it looks cute, like when I pull it out to the side, but, you know, it's not a lot of hair. But like I said, when it comes to the hairline and stuff, I mean, they killed it. They absolutely killed it, because it's A1. I love the frontal piece. I love the frontal. The frontal was not too thick, and it wasn't like super, well, the front piece. That's what I'm trying to say. The frontal piece of it, because it's a full wig, but the frontal piece of it, I loved it, because it wasn't too thick and it wasn't too thin. It was just enough for me to like lay it flat and really get it style. But they could have added more hair like in the back. But you know, again, that's why you purchase more density if you want your hair a little bit fuller. For some people, they're like, hey, that's perfect for me, okay? And for some people, it is. They want the, you know, they want less density. They want the more natural look. But I personally feel like it could have been a little bit thicker, okay? You know, and that's just my opinion. If you like your hair like this, then by all means, you know, have a good time. But it just not my personal preference. So overall, would I give this hair a thumbs up or a thumbs down? I like the wig construction. So as far as the company, yeah, I would give them a thumbs up. Okay, but like I said, I already told you guys that if you plan on getting this particular wig, just take it into consideration of things that I named as far as the cap construction and the density. Okay, but the customer service and the wig construction on its own, I gotta give it a thumbs up, because I've never received a wig or frontal, anything that I can just put on my head and go. I just have not. Okay, so yeah, I would definitely recommend them. Check out some more of their wigs. Like I said, I will leave their information down below. The prices aren't too bad, and just see, you know, if you like them. Like I said, I would definitely suggest them to like a first time wig wearer because of the hairline. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling, guys. Take that for what it is, like I always tell you all to do. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and I'll definitely get back to y'all. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.